Hello everyone, welcome back to ETL SQL Q&A station. And today's quick video is all about the most commonly used SQL operators in SSMS. So first we have arithmetic operator. The plus is use the addition. For example, like you can use the salary plus bonus. Minus operator is used for subtraction, star used for multiplication, and the forward slash for division. And finally, the percent sign used to get the remainder like marks, percentage, to that kind of. These are the super useful when working with the numeric data in your table. The next we have comparison operators. This helps you compare values in condition. The equal sign check if values match. For example, like ID equal to 101. If you want to check more for not equal, you can use this sign or not equal to this sign. The greater than and less than and the combination like greater than equal to or less than equal to are all used to filter data based on ranges like age greater than 18. These are most often used in the where clause to control what rows get selected. Now let's look at logical operators. This helps combine multiple conditions and means both conditions must be true. For example, age greater than 18 and city equal to Pune. So the AND will compare the both of condition, and if the both conditions are true, then it will be goes for the succeed, or means either condition can be true. And not is used to negate a condition like not status equal to closed, something else. These are essential for writing smart filter and conditions in SQL. When we working with text values or a string data, we use string operators. The plus operator used for concatenation, which means joining two strings like hello plus world. Like is used to search for patterns in strings. For example, name like a module or a percent. Find all names strings with a. You can also use not like to exclude certain patterns. The bitwise operators like AND, OR, XOR, NOT are used for performing operations on a binary bits. These are used rarely in day-to-day SQL, but they are good to know. Mostly we use string operators in SQL queries. The string operators are in, between, is null and is not null, and exists operator. So in operator used when you want to check if a value exists within a list. Between operator is used to check if value lies between a lower and upper limit. Is null and is not null means no values in the column. It used to find rows where a column is empty. Exist operator is used with subquery. It checks if the subquery returns at least one row. So the bitwise operators are list use operators. The most commonly used operators are equal to, not equal to, and, or, not, like, in, between, is null, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and so on. So we will discuss briefly about each and every operator as well. So the most IMP operators are set operators as well. And thus we have union, union all, intersect, and except. These operators may look simple, but they are super powerful when it comes to filtering and refining your SQL queries. Remember that practice is the key and try using this in your real time project. So, if you found my video more helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos on join subqueries, indexes, and more. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and happy querying. See you in the next video. Thank you.